Subscribe and tap that notification bell. Don't miss out on new video uploads. This is Melissa from Melissa at Home, and welcome back to another video. So on today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some companies that are currently hiring, and these companies hire in the US and Canada as well as outside of the US in various countries. Okay, so I'm just going to get started with the first company. This company is called Q Kids, and Q Kids is an online teaching community. It's a community of various teachers from various backgrounds who are teaching foreigners English. These foreigners are based mainly in China, but you do not have to speak Chinese. You just have to be a native English speaker. They require you to live in the US and in Canada. So this is not for international individuals. This is mainly for those who live in the US as well as Canada. Okay, they're looking for college students. So if you're currently in college studying whatever it is that you're majoring in, it doesn't matter. They're also looking for, stay-at-home moms, current teachers. If you have experience in teaching and you are a current teacher, and definitely check out Q Kids. They're just basically looking for people who are just passionate about teaching online. The position that they offer is part-time, so I believe it's 6 hours per week part-time, and they pay $16 to $20 per hour. They will provide you with all the curriculums, so their curriculums are preset and they will provide you with their curriculum. They also offer some training as well, so they're not just gonna put you on a spot and expect you to know everything. They have all their courses set for you, and they provide you with some training on their courses and so forth. Okay, you do not have to have a special knowledge in a specific area. Again, I believe that it doesn't matter what you major in or what your degree is in. You do have to have some sort of degree. They did not specifically say what type of degree that you have to have, whether it's a bachelor's degree or whatever, but I believe you just have to have a degree. So you could double check with the company once you apply for this position. And you have to be, again, a native English speaker. I don't believe you need much experience in teaching, because again, they're looking for students. They didn't specifically say that students have to be studying to be a teacher or anything like that. So they're just mainly looking for people who are passionate about teaching and educating their students. Okay, so you could definitely check them out, and the application is like 5 minutes long. I'll post a link below this video, and it will take you to the site in which you can get started on your application process, and you can read up even more information about Q Kids. Okay, so check out the links below as usual. The second company is called Cadence, and Cadence is known for hiring people who are outside of the US, like international individuals, to basically work online transcribing various materials. Okay, currently they're looking for experienced transcribers. You must have at least 2 years of experience in transcribing. You must be able to type at an accuracy of 98%, and they're looking for super fast typers. I'm talking 100 words per minute. So if you can type 100 words per minute, then you will be the ideal candidate. Okay, or if you can type at least close to 100 words per minute, you could still apply for this position. Okay, so don't get discouraged. If you have 2 years of experience in transcribing and you're familiar with basics of transcribing, then definitely check them out. They do provide training, but again, even though they provide training, the training may be based on getting to know their company and the materials that they want you to transcribe. But in terms of being able to type fast and knowing the basics of transcribing, they prefer that you have at least 2 years of experience and that you are familiar with transcribing work. Okay, and again, this is an online work. They did not give a specific country that you need to live in order to do this. So you can go ahead and apply for this position if you are international, and hopefully they will accept you in your country. Okay. This position was posted on Indeed. So if you follow the link, you will see that it's on Indeed. If you come across this video and you check out the link and you notice that it may have expired on Indeed, do not get discouraged. Sometimes a company may post a job opening on Indeed and the post itself just expired. So they may not have renewed the post. So I will double check directly with the company, like go directly to Cadence and contact them and ask if this position is still available. Okay, again, if you happen to come across this video maybe a week later and you are interested in working with Cadence and you see that the link may have expired, you know, just reach out directly to the company and see if this position is still available. This also goes for any company that you may come across, okay, and you see that the position may have expired on my website, or if it's posted on Indeed, go directly to the company and you know, just verify, double check if the position really is filled or if it's no longer available. Okay, so just a tip and suggestion. So basically those are the two companies that are currently hiring, and I wanted to highlight them in this video. You can go to my now hiring section on melissaathome.com for other opportunities that are currently available. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you know someone who's also interested in legitimate ways to work from home or online, definitely share these videos, guys, now, because people could use this information and it could definitely be beneficial to them. Thank you guys again, my crew, Melissa at Home crew. I truly enjoy you know, posting these videos for you guys and seeing your comments and chatting with you and so forth. So thank you guys again for subscribing and for sharing these videos and this information. I will see you guys next time. Hope you have a wonderful day and happy work from home, guys.